becomes hot, you are observing outside. But inside, what is happening? Sir, molecules are getting energy, they are going away from each other. Because just now you said if you increase the temperature, IMF decreases. Therefore, the molecules will become loose from each other, and therefore at a particular point the solid becomes liquid, and you say, okay sir, I have crossed melting point. That means solid state exists up to a certain temperature, right? This same statement I am doing in another style. Solid state can be expanded up to certain temperature, because it expands, then no, no sir, now it is not available, it is available as liquid. Are you able to understand the point? Gold, you are expanding the gold, you are expanding the gold, you are expanding the gold. No, 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 sir. Now gold is not available in solid state, is available in liquid state. So there is a limit of expansion for solids. ठीक है. चलिए, come to water. I have taken a glass of water, I am heating it. When I am heating it, sir, it is becoming hot and hot and hot. No, sir. Internally, intermolecular forces are decreasing. Therefore, the molecules might be going away and away and away from each other. Therefore, if you cross a particular temperature, sir, water is not available in the container. We are having steam. That means there is a limit up to which I can expand liquids also. This means to say solids do have limited expansion. Yes, liquids also expands to a certain limit. Do you think about gas in this manner? No, sir. There is no such temperature known as a melting point of solid, right? Boiling point of liquid, dash point of gas. No, sir, there is no such point available. What is the meaning of that? This means to say I can expand the gas to any large extent. Yes, yes. And similarly, if you want to compress a liquid, yes, goes on compressing the liquid after some temperature. When you are goes on decreasing the temperature, it will freeze. Therefore, there will be a freezing point. So extent of expansion is very high in case of gases. Similarly, I can compress a gas to very small extent. I am saying that I am having 1 liter of scent gas available, right? Say for example, अतर है आपके पास, खस है. If you're having that one, then I can keep in a very small bottle, and I can keep it in whole room, or I can keep it in whole campus of MS. Yes, gases do expand and occupy all the volume, available volume. Why? Intermolecular force of attractions are zero and random motion is available. Therefore, remember that in case of gaseous state, what is the speciality? Very high extent of expansion and compression. Both are possible. Both are possible in all the cases. I am not talking about both are possible. I am talking about this point. Yes, we have great extent of expansion and compression in case of gaseous state. Next, suppose for example there is a container, a jar kept like this. And here another jar is kept. Suppose for example in this jar I have taken red colored gas, and here I have taken green colored gas. Now I remove the lid in between them. What will happen? I am not applying pressure, I am not applying temperature, I am not doing anything. By themselves, remember, these gas molecules will move from this side. And these gas molecule will move from this side. Yes. What is this called in science? In science it is called spontaneous intermixing. Inter, in between two, right? intermediate, as you say, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Similarly, it is called spontaneous intermixing. Sir, what is the meaning of spontaneous? By itself, by itself, apne aap se, right? So if you are having spontaneous intermixing, it is because of, again, same thing, intermolecular force of attractions are zero, random motion of gas molecules. This is the speciality of gases. It is not possible in case of liquids. In liquids, you have to bend the liquid one side or the other side. In case of solid, no chance at all. Spontaneity is only in case of gases, right? This spontaneous intermixing is called diffusion. Yes, diffusion is possible in gases. It is not possible in case of liquids and solids. What is diffusion? Spontaneous, अपने आप से, without having any external agent required. Spontaneous intermixing of gases is called diffusion, speciality of the gas. Next, there is a container in which you are having gas molecules dancing inside. Okay, let them dance. Suppose, for example, you are making a hole here, making a puncture. What happens? Very simple, sir. The gas molecules will leak out. Right? What is this called in science? Escaping out of the gas through a pinhole. Is it possible in case of liquids? Yes, sir, possible. But we should make hole only at the bottom of the container. Whereas in case of gases, make a hole anywhere. You make a hole. I have kept hole on the right hand side. You make a hole on the top. No problem. Bottom, no problem. Everywhere, wherever you make a hole, the gas will come out. This is called one-way direction. This is two-way traffic. Diffusion, one-way traffic. Effusion, yes. Effusion is a property of gases. Effusion, escaping out of a gas through an aperture. Aperture आपको जरा थोड़ा सा टफ लगेगा, सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बात करेंगे. Camera aperture, समझ में आती बात? Through a pinhole, very small. This is known as effusion property. Remember, effusion is also available in case of liquids, but very slowly. How do we proceed? Take a glass of water, right? Clear water. And then take a dropper in which you are having red colored ink. Nowadays, the golden days have gone. People, right, used to have ink and all those things. If you just drop one drop of ink and observe what happens, the drop will be on the surface and slowly it will disperse in the whole liquid, and beautifully the red color will be appearing in the whole container gradually. It is called effusion of ink in water. It is a very, very, very slow process. Effusion is also possible in case of liquids, but very slow. Effusion in case of solids, no chance, not at all. Next. Okay, when you are saying gaseous state, you are saying, sir, very high extent of expansion. Expansion. I have taken, so to say, for example, H2O, water. What is molecular weight? 18, 1 mole of water. I have given 1 mole of water to roll number 1. I said, come on, make ice. He prepared ice cube. I have given 1 mole of liquid water and asked him to keep in a glass. He said, okay, sir, available. I have taken 1 mole of water in the form of gas, right? And asked roll number 3, come on, keep in a container, keep in a container. He says, sir, which container? We can take any container because what is volume of gas? Volume of gas is equal to volume of container. That boy, roll number 3, can fill that 1 mole of water in a small scent bottle or in a room or in the whole complete godown, right? Once you are talking about this one, the godown or the room or the bottle, whatever with that, sir, gases will fill up the whole container. That means volume is large. What is density? Density is equal to mass by volume. Yes. I have taken 18 grams of water, whether you are having solid, whether you are having liquid, whether you are having gas. What is mass of that water? Sir, mass is independent of physical state. Mass is equal to 18 grams, 18 grams, 18 grams. But you said lowest possible volume, highest possible volume. Lowest possible volume, density is maximum. Highest possible volume, density is minimum. This means for a given physical state, always density is least for gases. Yes, right? Possess low densities, very low densities. Okay, these are the special properties of gaseous state which are not available in case of solids and liquids. Therefore, we are treating this state of matter as a special chapter. Write down this much, then we will proceed. Wait a minute, I have to go back. I have to start from here. Characteristic. Is it over up to this one? Is it over up to Brownian motion? I think I have written this. Is it over? Numer. Done. Come on, go ahead. Layer. Please, can you see your question once again? What we have written? What we have written? Is it over? Rethinking, is it over? वैक्यूम का मतलब है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग अबाउट स्पेलिंग बेटा, यू हैव रिटन करेक्ट स्पेलिंग. वैक्यूम के स्पेलिंग जो आप लिखे फर्स्ट में वही सही है. मैं वो नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ आपको. आप सोच रहे नहीं कि आप क्या पूछ रहे हैं. डिफ्यूजन का मतलब है गैस वन और गैस टू इंटरमिक्सिंग. अब कुछ समझ में आया. वैक्यूम का मतलब है कुछ भी नहीं रहा तो वैक्यूम बोलते. दो लोग हैं झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, बात समझ में आ रही है. ये उसको पीट रहा है, वो उसको पीट रहा है. सर डिफ्यूजन की बात चल रही. अब बोले आप लोग खत्म कर दो, सब हटा दो, वहां पे कोई लोग नहीं रहना. बोलो झगड़ा हो रहा है क्या. वैक्यूम का मतलब है नथिंग. वैक्यूम मीन्स नथिंग. इफ यू रिमूव द होल मैटर, no solid, no liquid, no gas, then it is called as vacuum. Got it? Right, right. Is it over? Nice. That will stop here. Remaining discussion will continue in the next class. I think we have class on Tuesday. Tomorrow you are having test schedule, right? Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Sublimation is direct conversion of solid to gas. It is possible by heating process. Gas to solid by heating process, but sublimation is not suitable for all. Sublimation is catalytic property of some of the students, some of the types of matter. Iodine sublimates. Got the point? Fine. Assalamu alaikum.